Where are we going? No, we're going to the lake now. Yeah, what are we gonna do there?
Boats.
We're gonna ride a boat?
Yeah.
Well, I think we're gonna feed the fish some popcorn today. Do you want to feed the fish some popcorn?
No.
Nope.
Go on a boat.
Oh, well, that would be nice. We don't have a boat
You
yet.
gonna buy me a boat? No. How we gonna get a boat?
We're off-roading right now. Oh, so it's a little bumpy. But we're gonna go feed the fish, guys. And Paisley's gonna love it. She did it once with Auntie and my mom, so we'll try it again. Big ones. Mallets? Mallards? Look at those duckies. Whoa.
Daddy, that's big.
They look so fluffy.
And all this fish.
Yeah. Wow. All right, let's go get popcorn. Bye-bye, fish. We'll be back.
That's one that
Let's go far.
Throw as far as you can. Nice.
that's
Mm-hmm.
that's one is another one.
Can I feed the brown duck? He's missing out of these. Oops. Oh, sorry, brown duck. I got you.
Look at all these guys. Look at that one, how big he is. Which ducky do you like the best?
This one.
The green one or the brown one? You feed them popcorn?
Oh, he ate it.
That's crazy.
That's a lot.
Yeah. Whoa, it splashed you!
I got carp water on my jeans.
Yuck! Daddy thinks the fish are gross.
They are gross.
They're cool.
Nah, they eat cigarette butts and popcorn and hamburgers.
They eating good.
Love a hamburger.
Do they eat your hamburgers?
Yeah. Eat my hamburger.
Whoa! Oh! Look at J-Mo hanging out. The ducks gave up.